Hi guys, this is John from Meatgistics University, and this is Meat Processing Equipment 204 Bag and Casing Clipper. Now, one of the problems when making large batches of summer sausage is that you gotta find a way to really securely close them. Classically, people use either the auto-load hog ring pliers or the individual hog ring pliers. So with the auto-load, it's fairly simple. You just twist your casings, put this opening around the casing, and press it. It will then close the staple, and it'll load the next one, hence the term auto-load. Now, for the single ring plier, it's a little bit more difficult. You gotta twist up your casing nice and tight, and then get this partially opened hog ring around that casing, and then the pliers have some grooves in them that will fit over the casing, and you just make sure that's all lined up, squeeze them, and there you go. It's not the tightest seal in the world. Another thing that you run into that could cause a problem is when doing large amounts of ground product, what you're gonna classically use is the poly bag sealer. It's a really simple and pretty good design. You simply twist up your bag, push it down, and you've got a nice taped seal. Problem is that's just tape. Also, if you're doing large quantities of this, the tape can come misaligned, so there are better ways to do it. Now, this bag and casing clipper is a lot like popular commercial staplers, but it's gonna be just a fraction of the cost. Now, it uses 9/16 staples that are gonna be loaded with the opening facing away from the body. The weighted loading system slides over the staples and pushes down so that a staple is always ready to be fired. Now, you get that by pulling this lever, and that's how you close the stapler. The first thing it does is it's gonna take the mounting securing block and press it up against the body. That's gonna keep your product in place. Then you press a little bit harder, and the staple goes down, and it's nice and secure around the bag or casing. There's a set screw right here that's gonna control the gap between your securing block and the base of the body. The knob on the back is where you control the amount of tension needed to pull this lever. Now, I would suggest both the knob and the set screw, you leave at factory settings unless you have a specific need to change them, like you're using a really large casing or someone's just not strong enough to pull that lever. There are also 4 holes drilled into the base of this so that you can secure it to a table or something else just to prevent any type of rocking. When you're going really nice and fast, that's definitely convenient and can speed it up for you. Now, I've got a few different sized summer sausage casings here to show you how it works, and then I'm gonna show you how it works on poly bags as well. So here's how it works on a 1.5 inch fibrous casing. Now a 2 inch, a 2.5 inch, and a 3 inch. So as you can see, it gets a really nice tight hog ring on there, which is really important, especially with your larger casings, because we are gonna hang from this string, so all the product's weight is gonna be pushing down on that hog ring. So it better be on there tight, or you might walk in the next day to a disaster. So for a poly bag, all you're gonna do is twist the neck like you normally would, put it in there, pull the lever down, and you've got a nice tight hog ring around that. So any of these options are really gonna work for you depending on what you're doing. The auto-load hog ring pliers definitely do work for fibrous casings for summer sausage or salami. It's just how much time you wanna put into doing that. If you're doing large quantities, this can be difficult. The single ring hog ring pliers I don't like using at all. It's difficult and it's kinda awkward, to be honest. For meat bags, the poly bag sealer is perfectly fine. It's worked for a long, long time, and the design is almost flawless. But if you're doing large quantities of either one of those, or definitely if you're doing both, you might want to think about getting a bag and casing clipper. They're fairly inexpensive, and they definitely can speed up your process and close your casing or your meat bag a lot better than any other option. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and visit waltonsinc.com and meatgistics.com to find everything but the meat. Thanks for watching. I'm John with Meatgistics University, and I'll see you guys next time. Subscribe to Walton's YouTube channel to watch more amazing videos. or shop at waltonsinc.com to find everything about the meat. Check out our latest sales and giveaway video here, or watch another hand-picked video by clicking here.